Updating your payment information on Amazon Prime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app and sign into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access your account. Once signed in, navigate to the Account and List menu located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and select your account from the drop-down options. Step 3. Go to Payment Options. In your account settings, find your Payments option. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update payment information. In the Your Payments section, you can add a new payment method or edit existing ones. To update, click on the Edit button next to the payment method you wish to change, or click Add a payment method to enter new details. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your updated payment information, make sure to click the Save button to confirm your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Amazon Prime.